everybody, and in today's video, we're gonna be opening these huge mob crates. Alright, let's go. Let's get this top one first. Alright, let's see. Oh! An RPG! Oh my god, we are getting some crazy luck, and we just started. Alright, we'll try the blue one now. Okay. Okay, that was pretty good, though. Alright, the green one. That sucks. Alright, because of that, we'll have a bonus round. Got these two little crates. First one. Oh, nut shredder. Okay. I see. Okay. Last one. Ah, it's stuck in the ground. Oh, there we go. Okay, an MRE, I guess. Okay, so, my MRE. Okay, look at this. Oh my. We have gotten a pretty good loot haul, everybody. Alright, everybody. See you in the next one. Peace.